Hey everybody, on this episode of Mr. Fix, we're going to look at existing pantry shelving and look at certain ones that need some heavy duty tracks. The bottom one here has pullouts. So if you look at it, the top one, we have smaller items. So this original track is not a problem. It comes out, no issues, there's light items. But this bottom one, we got a problem. It jams, it's friggin' heavy, you could tell, it doesn't go well. So, and I can't even pull it even too much without really causing a commotion. These are the light duty tracks. And if you could see there, right here, they're really light duty. So first things first, what we're going to do is we're going to remove everything in here and we're going to take off these tracks. Now, what we're going to need here is a regular drill with a small little bit for any kind of pre-drilling that we need to do. And then screwdriver or impact gun. And then what we're going to look at here is what you require is one of these tracks. And the more heavy duty, the better. This is a 100-pound track from Amazon that I picked up for under 30 bucks. To measure the track that you need, do a measurement and see. And this one here is 22 inches. So then go online, check it out, order the one that you Okay, so I'm going to take these off. So as you can see here, there's going to be 3 holes. You fully extend it, 1, 2, and 3 at the end, okay? You're going to place it pretty much exactly where the other one was. And just as long as it's fully back, I think we're fine. I'm going to screw that back one first, and I'm going to work my way to the front. Work your way from the back to the front. And what I did was I marked the top so then I was sure exactly which holes to do. Okay. Everything seems to open correctly, close correctly. So we're good. Get a couple of 1/4-inch strips, put it down here, because we're going to want to set the shelf on top. So then that way there, we have a gap at the bottom. Now, just make sure it all fits. You can see the gapping is perfect on this side, perfect on that side. It closes well. What I'll probably do now is mark it along here on the side. So then when I pull it out and I go to screw, I'll know exactly where to go. I want to just pull it out a little bit just to get that first screw in. There we go. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pre-drill it and then screw it. I don't want to continue screwing. I want to make sure that everything looks okay. So it looks fine. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure those little slats go all the way. And I'm going to do the second hole just to kind of give it some stability. So then I can do all of it afterwards. Make sure everything goes well. Let's take these slats out here just to make sure everything looks okay. Everything looks good. We just got to screw the back ends of it. Now, we're going to finish screwing this. Okay. To release these, you push these little tabs on both sides. And you know what? It looks pretty good. I am not gonna bullshit you. See this shirt? I had the other shirt on. Guess what? I started to sweat a little bit. Doors are good. Let's load it up and see how it works. So, works good. Doors close well. Well, we're all set. So good luck to you in redoing your pull-out shelves to accommodate heavier loads. And thanks for watching Mr. Fix.